It's my off day at work and I'm on a mission. A mission to find that ultimate South Indian breakfast in London, Idli. Seems like people are marching to work with their coffees and croissants, and I'm out here dreaming of hot sambar, coconut chutney. Not exactly a typical London breakfast. Would you even find some decent idlis in London? You might ask. And for that, I would say,
कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
alright, it is tube time now. Maybe it's the city air or the thrill of the search, but I swear I can almost smell sambar now. There it is. I think I can find some good idlis here. Let's check it out. And while waiting for my plate of fluffy idli, I stumbled upon this quote from Carl Sagan that got me thinking.
If you wish to make an apple pie from scratch, you must first invent the universe. Thank you very much.
It's a great quote, but honestly, I don't really relate to apple pie. So I thought, why not give our all time new friend ChatGPT an idli challenge? Can we replace apple pie with idli? Can idli help us understand the universe? Let's start simple. I asked ChatGPT, what are idlis made up of? And the ChatGPT says,
Idlis are made from a batter of fermented black lentils and rice. The lentils and rice are soaked, ground, and left to ferment overnight before being steamed to create soft, fluffy idlis.
okay, that's a good start. Now let's dig deeper. What are lentils made up of?
Chemically, lentils are composed primarily of carbohydrates, including starch and dietary fiber, which make up most of their dry weight.
All right, ChatGPT, not bad at all. But what are carbohydrates made up of?
Carbohydrates are a class of macronutrients that are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. They are the primary source of energy for the body and are found in a wide range of foods.
Brilliant. But I've got more questions. What is carbon made up of?
Carbon is a chemical element with the symbol C and atomic number 6. It's a nonmetal and is the fourth most abundant element in the universe by mass, after hydrogen, helium, and oxygen. Carbon atoms have 6 protons in their nuclei. Chemically, carbon atoms are unique in that they can form up to 4 covalent bonds with other atoms, including other carbon atoms.
Well, that's impressive, but I'm not done yet. I've got more questions. What are protons made up of?
Protons are one of the 3 fundamental subatomic particles that make up an atom, along with neutrons and electrons. Overall, protons are essential building blocks of matter, and their unique properties make them critical for understanding the structure and behavior of atoms and the universe as a whole. Protons are made up of smaller particles called quarks.
Whoa, this is getting interesting. So, how are quarks formed? Where did they come from? What are they made up of?
Quarks are fundamental particles that are believed to be some of the most basic building blocks of matter. As far as scientists know, quarks were created in the very early universe, just a few microseconds after the Big Bang. Quarks are not formed through any known processes, and as far as scientists know, they're not made up of smaller components. Overall, the origins of quarks are a topic of ongoing research in particle physics, and scientists continue to study these particles in order to better understand the behavior and structure of matter.
Whoa, so idli, Our humble, delicious idli is made up of quarks, and the origin of the quarks still a mystery. Simple on the surface, but if you really break it down and think about it scientifically, you realize it's made up of the same quarks and atoms that make up the stars and galaxies. The humble idli is full of cosmic mysteries. Pretty cool, right? Now, I can't help but think of that Carl Sagan quote again. He said it about apple pie, but you can apply the same to idli. If you wish to make an idli from scratch, you must first invent the universe. Because really, everything is connected. The rice, the lentils, the sun that grew the crops, the elements formed in the stars, all part of the cosmic dance that led to this plate of idli. Now, I could go on about the quarks in my idli, the Big Bang, or the origins of the universe, but let's be real. Sometimes a hot plate of idli is just the perfect breakfast. Does it always give me an existential crisis? Maybe or maybe not. But more importantly, it gives me joy. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic idli journey. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, enjoy your breakfast. And remember, even the smallest things or the simplest things can make you think about the stars.